Hi, blessed morning once again. It's me, your man Bundero. I also do building constructions. So if you are in abroad or you are in Ghana and you're looking some good contractor, trustworthy person to give your project to build for you, um, just hit me on an email jk.amponsa at yahoo.co.uk or just inbox me with your number and that, and I'll get back to you. Any projects you want to build in Ghana, whether a house or hotel, whatever you're looking to do about building, let me know. From carpentry to finishing, from mason to finishing, electrician, everything. Those that go and dig their thingy, all your dimensions, everything. Good contractors. We're here. I have good builders. And I'm here in Ghana. So if you're looking to build your house, if you're outside Ghana, which is abroad, or you're in Ghana here, yeah, shout me.